Feeling out of breath after climbing the stairs? Carrying weight that's affecting your daily life? You're not alone. It's going to challenge you, but remember, every drop of sweat is an investment in your future health and happiness. But before we jump into a killer workout, let's talk about something crucial: why being obese is a big deal. 1. Disease domino effect. Heart disease, diabetes, even cancer. Obesity ups your chances of a whole nasty punch. Don't let these silent killers sneak up on you. 2. Mobility mayhem. Imagine struggling to tie your shoes or play with your kids. Obesity can rob you of your energy and flexibility, making everyday activities a fight. 3. Mental meltdown. The emotional toll of obesity is real. Low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, it all takes a hit on your well-being. Time to reclaim your mental power. Now, the good news: you can take control. Let's dive into a 2-week home workout challenge designed specifically for men battling obesity. Standing ankle taps. Get your heart rate up without stressing your joints. Burn calories and engage core, legs. Adjust speed as needed. Downward dog sprints. Sprint your legs back and forth without lifting your hips. Blast core and improve stability. Modify by walking. Standing side crunches. Whittle waist and strengthen obliques. Repeat on both sides. Side plank walks. Build core stability and challenge shoulders. Modify without walking. Push and step backs. Work multiple muscle groups in one move. Modify by skipping push-up. Glute bridges. Sculpt glutes and hamstrings without knee stress. Squeeze glutes at the top. Starfish crunches. Work entire core. Imagine you're a flying star. Burpees. Get your heart pumping with low impact. Modify by stepping instead of jumping. Reverse crunches. Target lower abs for core strength. Focus on controlled movements. Remember, start slow, listen to your body, and progress safely. Combine with healthy eating for optimal results. No equipment needed. Do these exercises anywhere, anytime, and start your transformation today.